I know. You're sick of me banging on the same drum every time. Your customer's the hero, your company plays the guide, people don't care about your company history, clarity is everything in your copywriting. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, go to these videos and knock yourselves out. Now, even though I always advocate companies to not talk about themselves too much on their websites, here's the fact. Statistically speaking, the About Us page is usually the second most visited page on any given website. Ironic, isn't it? While it's true that people will eventually want to find out more about your company, we gotta understand that the underlying motivation of them wanting to check out your business is not that they're looking for a hero to worship, but to validate if you can truly help them to solve their problems. So, given your homepage or product page is good enough and you start getting some meaningful traffic coming into your About page, but let's be intentional about it so you continue to nudge people into buying from you. Your goal on the About page is not to get someone to admire you or sometimes be intimidated by how big your company is, but to continue entice them so your hero understands that they can't win the day without you. The best way to do this is to play the empathy card. Now, when you listen to some business consultants or online gurus, the first thing that they will tell you is for you to show your authority. Do a vlog showing off your facilities, show all your real-time sales records on screen, do a daily Instagram story to tell people about your experience, all that jazz, right? Now, the problem with that is people already assume you're the professional. They already realize how good you are at what you're doing. You're essentially wasting words on them, trying to justify your professionalism. Some people overdo authority so much that they actually appear insecure. Think about your last visit to the dentist. Did you ever do a background check on the dentist's academic results or career history? No! You picked the dentist based on what I call empathy factors. Is the clinic close to me? Does the receptionist have a smile on her face? Is this gonna hurt? Is this gonna be expensive? These are all practical factors that affect people's decisions, which have nothing to do with your professionalism. So, on this dental clinic's About Us page, don't say this. After 18 years of establishing ourselves as the premium provider of all things dental care, proven by 3 consecutive awards since 2018, all our staff have a PhD and we thrive in curing dental diseases with excellence and precision, that our efficiency is 30% higher than the industry standard. Lots of authority there, right? But it doesn't cut through. Now hear this. We understand that the thought of going to the dentist is scary for most people. That's why we use dental treatments and equipment to prioritize pain management and reduce it to the lowest. At our clinic, even if you have to take a tooth out, you won't feel a thing most of the time, and the wounds would be healed within a week in most cases. Most importantly, we offer fixed pricing that is clearly communicated before you enter the treatment room. We do this so you can walk out of our clinic pain-free and with absolutely no bill shock. See the difference? So, instead of telling your own story, your job is to invite people into a compelling narrative as the guide, and you are to help the hero win the day. With that copy in the About Us page, followed by a strong call to action button at the bottom to book an appointment, your About Us page has now become a conversion-driven landing page. And that's how you harness your precious web traffic and turn them into dollars.